In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI enhancer to improve the quality of your videos in Filmora. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you have a video and you feel it is of low quality, you can go ahead and enhance the quality of that video to even 4K. To do so, it is quite simple. Just go to this edit tool and then click on it. From edit, go to this option called AI tools and then choose it. From this, scroll down until you get to this option called AI video enhancer. Go ahead and click on it, and here go ahead and begin your generation. So if you click on this, it will begin the process of analyzing and processing your video, and once your video has been processed, it will be enhanced. For my case, I'm on a free account and therefore I need some credit for me to be able to enhance it. So once this has run up to 100%, now you should be able to see an improved quality of your video from the previous one. So that's how you can apply or use AI enhancer tools to enhance the quality of your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.